Welcome back to Health and Homes. I'm your host, Liz Grosul, your Northern Colorado realtor and wellness advocate, here to help you stay informed about the real estate market and inspired about living the lifestyle that comes with it. Today, we're diving into something everyone's been asking me lately: what's really happening in our Fort Collins market and how it compares to what we're seeing across the country. Whether you're thinking of buying, selling, or just keeping tabs on your home's value, this one's for you. So, across the US, the housing market has shifted gears after 2 years of wild competition. Things are finally leveling out. I like to say getting healthy again. Interest rates have stayed higher than expected, keeping some buyers on the sidelines and slowing sales overall. But still, we're lower than we are on the 50-year average for the interest rates. Inventory is building up in many areas, giving buyers more choices than they've had in years. Nationwide, homes are taking longer to sell, around 60 days, and pricing reductions are becoming more common. The median US home price is slightly up year over year, but that growth has cooled to low single digits. So overall, we're in the mark we're in a market correction phase, not a crash. Homes are still selling, but buyers have more room to negotiate and sellers have to be strategic. They can't just hope. Here in Fort Collins in northern Colorado, we're seeing a similar story, but with a few local twists. So the median prices are hovering around 550 to 575, depending on the neighborhood and town. Days on market have crept up roughly 60 to 70 days, meaning homes are sitting longer than they did last year, which is healthy again. Inventory has grown, especially in neighborhoods like Timnath, Windsor, and Severance, where new construction is booming, and Johnstown. While buyers have more options, the most desired homes, the ones priced right, move-in ready, are still selling fast and possibly multiple offers. One thing that makes Fort Collins stand out is our steady demand between CSU, the tech growth along Harmony Corridor, and people relocating for the quality of life. This area is resilient even with a nation trend cool off. What this means for you as a buyer: this is your moment to be strategic. You'll likely see more negotiation power, from price adjustments to closing cost help or rate buy downs. You do have time. You have time to think. Gone are the days of 10 offer bidding wars overnight and get something that you don't want. Focus on long-term value, resale value. Fort Collins remains stable, appreciating market with great schools, outdoor access, and community amenities. But remember, if rates go back up, or if rates drop, competition will go back up. It could heat up again. So getting in now might actually give you more leverage and flexibility. Now, if you're selling, this market is all about prep and presentation. Pricing your home correctly from start is key. Buyers are savvy and they will pass over overpriced listings. Homes that are staged well, have great photos, and feel move-in ready are still commanding strong offers. Flexibility helps as well. Offering incentives or being open to creative terms can attract the right buyer. And don't panic about the longer days on market. That's normal and healthy in this cycle. It doesn't mean your home won't sell. It doesn't mean buyers aren't taking more time. It just means that buyers are taking more time to decide. So, in short, Fort Collins is following the national trend, but holding its own. Our market remains balanced, not broken, and with strong local demand, high quality of life, and limited long term land supply. This area continues to be one of the healthiest markets in Colorado. So, what is my advice? If you are a buyer, focus on the opportunity, not the fear. If you're a seller, focus on the strategy, not the timeline. The right home or the right offer is still out there if you're just a bit more patient and planning than in 2021, the crazy real estate time. And as always, if you'd like a personalized market snapshot of your neighborhood, whether it's Water Valley, Ridgewood Hills, or Old Town Fort Collins, I'd love to help you break down what these trends mean for you personally. And of course, if I didn't name your neighborhood, I will also do that neighborhood. Thank you so much for tuning in to Health and Homes. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly market updates, mindset tips, and wellness inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy, stay grounded, and I'll see you out there in the neighborhood. Well, have a good one.